Hello, in this video I am going to teach you how to find out square root of the given number using long division method. Now this method would be useful for us to find out square roots of various numbers, as well as we can also determine if the given number is rational or not. So this video is forming the basis for your irrational number video. So before you see the irrational number videos, it is important for you to know this method. And let me start explaining this method with some example. Say the given number is 196, that is 196, and you want to determine the square root of this number. So how would you proceed? First of all, we will have to make pairs of the numbers. We will start from right and move towards left. We will start from right and move towards left. So the first pair formed would be this. As we are determining square root, we will choose pair of two numbers, this two, and this one would leave left. We will have to leave alone, that is a single number. Okay, once this process is completed, we will choose a number by which we would divide this. Now how to choose that number? Number would be such that it would be closest to this, and then it should be a perfect square, and it should be closest to the very first number, that is this number. So which number would be closest to 1 and it would be a perfect square? The 1 itself. So choose it, 1. Then 1 ones are 1 and remainder would be 0. Now this both of them would come down together because they are in pair. So we got 96 over here. Add this one to this one and you will get 2 over here, and there will be one space over here that we will have to fill with some number. Now how to choose this number? This number should be such that when you multiply the entire number formed by this number, that number should be closest to 96. So say if you choose 1 to be placed over here, it would be form 21. It would form 21, and then 21 into 1 would be 21. But this number is quite far from 96. So let us try with some another number, say 22 into 2, because the number chosen over here is 2. So you have to multiply the number formed with 2 only. 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 4. Still it's quite far from 96. Let us try with 23. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So it's 69, and still it's a bit far, so I would like to give a try to 24 also. 4 4 is 16, 1 6, 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9, it's 96. So you could get the perfect number. It may happen that sometimes you may not get the perfect number, but if you are getting the perfect number, go for that. So this will be 4, and here it will be 96, and here also it will be 4, because 24 into 4 is 96, and you got 0 as a reminder, and this 14 would be your square root. That is we can write it as square root of 196 is 14. Now let us take some another example. Suppose the given number is 1681. Suppose the given number is 1681. Now you will have to form the pairs again. This is first pair and this will be second pair. So now you have to choose some number over here. You have to choose some number over here such that it is closest to 16 and it is square root of the perfect square that is closest to 16. So suppose which is the perfect square that is closest to the 16? The very first step is to ask yourself, which is the perfect square, that is lower and lower or equal to 16 and is closest. So the which is the perfect square? Now in this case the 16 itself would be that number and its square root would be 4, so you will choose 4 over here, and 4 is a 16, so you get 0 as a remainder, and then the entire pair would come down 81. Now this 4 plus this 4 would add up to 8. Now you will have to choose some number over here such that the number chosen over here when multiplied by this whole number formed would be closest to 81. Now I can see with my eyes clearly that 81 into 1 would be 80. So see, it is 1 and you got the remainder 0, and you don't have anything to bring down, and this would be your square root. Let us take one more example of another number. The number can need not always need to be a perfect square. In case if it is not a perfect square, you may get the answer in the form of decimals. Suppose the number we have is 13597. This is the number that we have. Now we will form the pairs. So let us form the pair. This is first pair. 3 and 5 would form second, and the poor one would be left alone. Now again the number is starting with 1, so here it would be 1 ones are 1 and 0. How we chose 1 over here? We asked ourselves that which is the perfect square that is closest to 1, and the answer we got is 1, and we took the square root of 1, that is again 1, that is 1 ones are 1 and it's 0. Now bring down 35. Bring down 35. Now 1 plus 1. I have to extend this line a bit down. Now add this one to this one and it would form 2. So we got 2. Now we have to choose some number over here such that this number when multiplied by this whole number formed will be closest to 35. So let us say I choose 21. Ones are 21. Now I want to try with 2 also. So 22 multiplied by 2, that is 44. But 44 is greater than 35, so we have to go with 21 into 1. So 21 ones are 21. 5 minus 1 is 4 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Now bring down 97. Bring down 97. Now 21 plus this 1. 21 plus this 1 will give us 22, and we have to choose one number such that the number formed multiplied by the number chosen would be closest to 1497. So 22. Now I don't think there is any sense in trying with 1, because if I will put 1 it will be 2 to 1, which will be quite far from 1497. So I will try with 3 directly. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and 3 2s are 6. Still it's quite far. Let us try with say 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 to the 14, 15 16 17 18. 7 to the 14 plus 1 15. So that is crossing 1497. I think we have to start with 2 to 6 into 6. 6 6 the 36. This is 3. 6 to the 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 to the 12, 13. 1 3 5 6. So we will have to go with that. 1 3 5 6. So answer would be 1, not the answer but the reminder. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now put one decimal and bring 0 down over here. But again remember to include 2 zeros because everything has to go in pair. So you can't bring only 1 0, you have to bring 2 zeros over here. Now I am writing my quotient over here because I need some space. So 116, and there will be decimal now. Decimal will be over here, and now I will write my quotient over here. Quotient over here. Okay. Now, so let us go a bit down. I need to scroll down. Now we will add this 6, and again I will have to scroll up. We will add this 6 and this 6. So 6 plus 6 would be 12. So 1 2 2 plus 1 would be 3 and 232. Now I will have to choose one number which is such that an entire number formed multiplied by that number would be as close as 14100. So 232. I will choose 5. 5 5 5 is 25. 5 to the 10, 11, 12. 5 to the 15 plus 1, 16. 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11. That is 11625. I think this has to work because 2 3 2 6 into 6 may cross this one. For let us try. 6 6 is 36. 6 to the 12, 13, 14, 15. 18 plus 1, 19. 1 9. 6 to the 12 plus 1, 13. That's working. And let us try with 7 also, just to confirm that we are not going on a wrong track, because still this number is less than 14100. 7 7 is 49. 7 to the 14. 7 3 is 21, 22. 7 to the 14, 15, 16. So that's crossing 14100. So you have to go with 6. You have to go with 6. Okay, now I will put 6 over here and 6 in my quotient. Remember, this is my quotient. Let me change the color of my quotient. 1.6, and the answer that I obtained was 1395. 13956. So again you will subtract 10 minus 6 is, I'm writing over here, 4. 9 minus 5 is 4, and 10 minus 9 is 1, and this. Now 2 more zeros would come down from here, and the same process would continue. We will have to add 2 more zeros over here, and you will have to continue with this process. And this can be an ending process because some numbers have non-terminating decimals. Some has repeating patterns, some might not have it. But the main purpose of this video was to teach you the method, and that I probably think has been done properly. So if you have understood the method, the details and application of this method, I'm going to teach you in the next video, where I will start with my irrational numbers and how to determine, where we need to determine the square root of some small numbers like root 2 and root 3 and all. So you just need to learn this method by heart. and that's it. If you have understood this method very well, you should not worry about, you need not to be worried about what you need, let me just scroll down. You need not to be worried about what would be the end of this. These things will be clear in the upcoming videos, but for now just understand the method. Thank you.